Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the testimonials from our program Ignite Your Life. Ignite Your Life program has been a boon and a transformation to many hundreds of people who attended it. And here are some of the testimonials that will help you understand the transformation that has happened in many people's life. I hope this was an inspiration for you to take up Ignite Your Life. And if you want to take up Ignite Your Life and start transforming your life with respect to the complete happiness and success that you truly deserve on the spaces of health, wealth, relationship and spirituality, please message to the number that is specified in the description box below, and you will be given all the details that is going to help you ignite your life. Wishing you happiness and success.
I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today. And please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below, and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.